Oh yeah, guys, that's right. We are strutting our stuff and celebrating tonight. Woo! Baby, you guys know it. It is your boy, Terry Tillman, aka Mr. LCA. Also the official mayor of Gnogville. That is right, guys. And as you saw today in your Robinhood account, we're off to the moon, baby. That is right. The accounts are hopping right now. The shares are booming. The options contracts are booming. And to all my people that's been following me since July, since I've been promoting this bad boy, we are now seeing the gains, guys. That is right. And we're just getting started because this is a $30 stock all day long. And the gains are going to keep going into tomorrow's vote, which is going to be really, really exciting. So guys, hope you all are ready for today's video. So baby, let's go! Guys, hope you all enjoyed that intro right there. Woo-wee! Are we in for a jam-packed video today? And this is almost the Christmas Eve before Christmas, guys, because tomorrow is the day. That's right. Tomorrow is the day we've been waiting for, and we're going to get to that. But first, I wanted to show you my Fidelity account and where we are setting with my LCA in the Fidelity account. And woo! Fidelity account's looking good, but the Robinhood account is looking even better with the options call. And we're going to talk about, today guys, let's talk about gains, baby. Let's talk about you and me. That's right, guys. We're going to talk about them gains. Hope you enjoyed that there. But today is the gain day, man. We're waiting for it. We've been off to the moon. And I want everyone to comment down below, how much gains have you seen today in your LCA holdings? Truly, truly amazing. Comment down below, guys. You know, holding out. I see all everyone's comments like, Terry, thank you so much for your videos, man. You are the reason I did not sell. I held my stock with strong hands. Your daily videos kept me motivated to keep my shares and not sell. And I love and appreciate every one of you. And guys, real quick, yesterday, I asked everyone to hit that thumbs up. Could we get over 200 likes? And you guys destroyed it. We had over 250 likes. So guys, can we make this video get 300 likes? Can we keep it going? So hit that thumbs up. Let's get 300 likes on this video. And let's get to the gains in this. And we're going to talk about tomorrow and the big vote and the big day for LCA Gnog. So guys, here is the, let me get the big head out of the way. That's for you, Brandon. I know you liked that in the last video. I think it was Brandon that commented that. Guys, look at these holdings here. As you can see, I have a total position right now of 135 shares. It is roughly 62% of my Fidelity account investments. And I have an average cost of $13.61 a share. Now, Fidelity doesn't update after hours, guys. So this is when the market closed at $16.37 a share. Today's gains alone is $240, or up 12% on my LCA investments alone. That's right, 12%. And total gain loss on my 135 shares is $372, or 20% gains, 20% increase on that. But guys, I ain't getting rid of my stock anytime soon. So on my 135 shares on Fidelity, I'm up $372, up 20% on my investment. And if you look down here, guys, I got something hiding for you. That's right. I have LCA warrants. Yes, I purchased the warrants. I only bought 40 of them. I had a little bit of buying power in my Fidelity account, and I said, you know what? Let's just purchase them. I purchased them for $4.51 a warrant. And as of right now, it says they were worth $5 a warrant. So I'm up a total on my investment there, up $19.60, up 10% on that little investment. So right there, guys, is real important when I'm saying that I don't care how much money you have, and that's what I love about this channel. We don't have large amounts of money that we're talking about here, guys. We're talking about a couple $1,000. Guys, I don't care if you have a couple $100. If you can throw even 200 in and get a 10% return in a few days or a week, that's amazing. You just keep doing that over and over, and you build up your account, man. That's what I've been doing. Building it up, throwing 100 in here, throwing 200 in here, maybe 300 here and there. Just keep building it up every week. That's what we've been doing since July, guys. We've been building this up for the last 4 months, and we are looking good now in the profit zone, man. We are looking really good. So my Fidelity account right now is around $3,500 in total right now. So really, really happy with those investments right there. And up on everything right now. And looking really good. So let me close out of Fidelity. Don't want to have any personal stuff there pop up. And before we get into the Robinhood, guys, I do just want to backtrack to this. Is why I think the stock is going up in a sense. There's a couple big reasons why the stock's going up. Number one is probably this reason right here, because the hearing is set for Golden Nugget's owner's venture to go public with online gaming. And if we scroll down here, this is the date we've been looking for, guys. And here it is. The Casino Commission will hold a public hearing at 10 a.m. Wednesday. That is right. So basically, guys, this article is the reason that I think the stock is going up, because tomorrow is the day in Atlantic City, the commissioners are going to vote to separate Gnog, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, from Golden Nugget land-based casinos, which is the beautiful, beautiful thing we want, guys. We want to separate the land-based from the online, because we want the online. That's where the money's at. That's where the money is at, and that's where we're going to get our gains at, in the online, guys. That's right. So once we get that approval tomorrow, oh boy, I'm going to tell you, I told you all last week, Monday was kind of making me second guess myself. And I told you last week, you better buy now, because you're not going to be able to buy this stock under 15 again this week. Well, I don't know what happened Monday, but it dipped a little bit. But you know what? I took advantage of that dip. And heck yeah, I bought some options contracts. And I'm going to show you guys how much I'm up on these options contracts in just a quick time. This is insane. And if you watch these daily videos, you probably already know roughly about what I'm up and how long I've had these contracts. But so that is the big news on that, guys. So let me close that out. And let's go here to the Robinhood. Look at that chart, guys. This account yesterday, to anyone that was watching my video, I had roughly about $2,800 in this account. And today, guys, we are over $3,200. We're pushing $3,300, guys, in this account. I figured up the math here, and if I go to the 1 year, I think I invest. Look at that chart right there at the end of today. Wow. I put in $2,640 since about March into this account. And you can see, look at that chart. It was looking pretty rough for a while. I was putting money in, and it wasn't going anywhere. And even there for a while, I was even losing a little bit, because LCA was having a rough time, man. People didn't want to believe in it, but I believed in it. And now look at those gains, guys, year to date. $819. I'm up 33% in that investment. And if you look at that chart, all that really didn't come in until about like this week, maybe last week. So really, all that time we've been talking about all the positives of this stock has finally paid off last week and today. And if you look at the 1 day chart, guys, I'm up over $455 on the day hours, up another $22 in the after hours. So I'm up a total of $477 today on a small brokerage account with $2,600. Now that is impressive. That is impressive, because you see these big accounts out there, yeah, when they move 1 or 2%, they do gain thousands of dollars because they have $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 in their brokerage. I only had $2,600, guys, and we went up over like 17% today on that. And that is impressive. I think that is where the bulk of my viewers love this channel, because we're talking in more reasonable numbers. And guys, a programming note. I'm going to start a Webull account, and we're going to grow this Webull account together. That's right. So I'm going to set up my account, and I'm going to put my referral link down in the Webull. We're all going to deposit the $100. Anyone that wants to join me, we're going to get our free stocks. You guys can use the link. You help your boy here get some free stocks. And we're going to build this $100 portfolio account up together. We're going to make either weekly or bi-weekly deposits into it. But I just want to let you know that's coming. We're not doing it yet. So if you don't have Webull, don't download it yet. But I'm going to get it prepared. We're going to do this all together. And we're going to have this going by first of the year, maybe here before Christmas. We're going to get the Webull going. I'm going to try to work on it this weekend, guys. Get this Webull account set up, and we can grow this together. We're going to pick out stocks together to invest our money in. That's right. So here is something kind of funny, guys. This options contract right here, this is pretty beautiful. And as you can see right now, look at that. In today, guys, I'm up 73.43% in one day on an options contract. And that is beautiful right there. And here it is. This expires December the 18th. I paid $160 for the contract. Today's return was $105, up 73.43%. My total return, I'm up $88, up 55%. And look at when I purchased this, guys. Look at that purchase date. I purchased this yesterday. I literally purchased this contract on my lunch break. Yes, I purchased this contract on my lunch break when I saw this thing going to the moon. And I told you yesterday, I think I was down like $10 or $15 yesterday. And I saw it going to the moon. And I said, let me buy it now before it goes too far to the moon. And of course, yesterday I told you, I bought the contract. And what did it do? It instantly dipped. It instantly dipped on me. It always does that. But look at what it did today. We turned around and we are up a total of 55% on our investment in one day. That is the magic of options, guys. So I saw a few people comment that they picked up this December 18th option as well. I did a $15 strike price. That right now is going to cost you $248 to get it. I think a few other viewers said they picked the $17.50 strike price. A little cheaper, so a little less risk. But there's still room to be money to be made there. Still room for money to be made. So that is that option right there. Looking freaking phenomenal. And I can't wait for tomorrow for this vote. And it's going to be amazing. And if we go to our next option here, this one is wow, is all I'm going to say, guys. Check this bad boy out. So we're going to stroll down here. Today it says I'm up 41% on this investment. This is my option that expires February the 19th. You guys know I paid $195 on it. And today alone, I gained $112 profit, up 41% today. And look at this total return. Up $190, up 97.44%. You know it's coming. Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. That's right. And at one point I looked at this. We were up 100%. So we just dropped a few percentage points there. But we basically doubled our money on this investment. To anyone that listened to me about purchasing this option, and I have no intentions of selling it, because I think by then this contract could make me so much money. I don't know where we're going to end up, but I can see this contract being anywhere from $500 to $1,000 by the time I cash this baby out. And we're only at $16. And I think by February, guys, we could be anywhere from $25 to $35 in this right now, because we are heading to the moon. The online gaming is picking up. And guys, I purchased this on November 11th, so I haven't even had this 2 weeks yet. I literally had this today as my 13th day earning this contract, and we are up 190 bucks on a $195 investment. So basically, we doubled our money in a matter of no time on this bad boy, and we have plenty of time to wait and see what's going to happen. We have like almost 3 months still to go, like 2 months and 3 weeks to go, man. I have no intention of getting rid of it. So that is my LCA 2 options right there, guys. And unfortunately, I only got 2. And as you see, I have $289 in the buying power. So if there is any kind of dip in LCA, I'm going to purchase more options contracts. So we've been running up to the moon. So tomorrow there could be a little bit of a dip of people selling. So just be prepared for that. Have your cash ready to go, guys. Because if people start selling and taking short profit, I think LCA is up 11 or 15% today. So there could be people selling off tomorrow taking gains, so be prepared. And as you can see in my buying power, if this thing dips, I'm spending all my buying power. I'm either going to buy shares or buy options contracts. I'm going to do what I can. I'm going to put it to work. So if I go here to my actual LCA shares, guys, you can see today it says we're up 14% in the day and after hours together. Woo, 1664 a share. Hallelujah. Look at that bad boy right there. That is what we're talking about, guys. And we are just on the road to the moon. Like I said, comment down below. How much gains did you see today? I'm showing you guys my gains for this video because we need to celebrate. And going to have a couple drinks tonight, guys. That's right. And we're just going to have a good time. And let's scroll down here to this. Look at that right there, guys. 100 shares at an average cost of $12.78. And you can see my today return was $205, up 14%. And my total return is $385 and change, up 30% on these 100 shares. Now, I told you my plan, what I plan on doing with these 100 shares. And that's going to run the wheel strategy. I'm not selling these shares for profit. That's going to be out of my Fidelity account. Once we get closer to $30 a share, I'm going to sell off maybe my 35 shares because I have 135 on Fidelity, have 100 on Robinhood, and I have 2 options contracts here on Robinhood as well. So once we get close to that $30, I'm going to sell off 35 shares I have on Fidelity and just let that cash set in there for the next bear market that hits. Because I'm going to buy back in more. So when we get close to 30, I'm going to sell off those 30 shares. I'm going to wait and see what happens with the market and keep those 100 shares in Fidelity to see what we do. But these 100 shares, I'm going to run the wheel strategy, guys. And I've went over that in a few other videos. But you can check those out in other videos, what we're going to do there. And guys, another big thing that I think has drove this stock up crazy, as you guys know, we had an SEC filing yesterday. And it wasn't that maybe the SEC filing that we wanted to see, but honestly, in my opinion, it's even better because this literally came out of nowhere, okay? So in this SEC filing, they secured West Virginia. They're making a deal with the Greenbrier Company in West Virginia, guys, and they're going to get online gambling in West Virginia. And if you watched yesterday's video, I told you why I'm excited. Because West Virginia is my neighbor. I live here in Maryland. I have friends that live in West Virginia. And Penn National Gaming, also Hollywood Casino, is in West Virginia, guys. And you can gamble on their website right now with slots. You can do sports betting. You can do whatever you want to do. So they don't have to really vote for online gaming to become legal because online gaming is already legal in West Virginia. And you can already play on your phone and do it all right there. So once they get the approval to get in, West Virginia is going to take off quick because they don't have to vote on anything. It's already ready to go. So that was other big news. So we got the vote tomorrow to separate the land-based from the online, which is beautiful. And we just got West Virginia. And back on the 19th, guys, they announced that we got Illinois. So a lot of action-packed news with LCA Golden Nugget happening right now. And it's a great time to be in the family of Golden Nugget. I'm telling you right now. To all my viewers that have been out there watching this, man, you guys are the best. And I told you this day would come. And we had a lot of bumps on the road. But boy, are we celebrating now. When everyone's sold off, I told you guys, buy the dip. Buy the freaking dip, but guys, that's right. Buy it. And I did. I went in and bought those options contracts. I went in and sunk in another $400. You know, not that it's a lot of money, but it is a lot of money. Like $400 is a lot of money when you already have like 3,000 or 4,000 invested of your own money in the stocks themselves. And people said, Terry, if you're so bullish on LCA, buy options, and that's the power of options. Yeah, and I've learned, man, you put $100 or $200 in an option, that baby goes off to the moon. You just made money like crazy. So I'm a fan of the options on LCA right now, but the LCA options are getting a little pricey because people's getting in on our secret, guys. We've been talking about this since July. But a lot of the big dogs now are hearing about Golden Nugget LCA, so be prepared as this thing goes. If this thing dips, buying options. If it dips even more, I may even buy more shares. I don't know, but I got $300 ready to roll. But I don't see it dipping. I just don't see it dipping. And I got one other beautiful footage to show you here, guys. And we talk about this. I try to update you guys daily on this. Look at the market cap today. Woo-wee! That market cap, guys, we are at 647 million. If my memory's correct, yesterday's market cap was I'm going to say 560 or 580? 560, 580? And now we're at 647 million. We're on the road to 1 billion market cap in this, guys. I'm telling you. We're going to be at 1 billion market cap in LCA before you know it. And if you guys don't know, I put the video, I think it was 2 days ago, that bets, ETF and iGaming, if you get on Robinhood, type in bets, BETZ, they are the ETF that buys online and land-based kind of stocks. So they own DraftKings, they own Penn National, they own the big dogs, and guess what they just bought? They bought LCA just a couple days ago. They bought like 160 or 170,000 shares because once this thing changes to Gnog, they're going to announce that Bets is going to put LCA, well, they're going to put Gnog in the ETF. Guarantee it. You heard it here first. Gnog is coming to the Bets ETF, and that is going to be one of our next plays because that ETF right now is looking really attractive at that $22 price point. I think we're going to talk about that in a future video, guys, on the bets. But keep your eye on bets. I'm watching it. So, guys, I think that is going to be it for today's video. And if we go back here to the portfolio, this is like, seriously, guys, my best day I think I've ever had in the stock market right here on this small little account that here it is just truly amazing. And also, by the way, I have to do it because this is just crazy. Did you see Genius Brands today? What? Genius Brands up again? $1.34 a share. I love it. Both my two picks that I knew was winners, LCA and Genius Brands, guys. Genius Brands up another 8% today. $1.34 a share. I said this is going to be a $2 stock. And I'm going to double my money in Genius Brands, just like I'm going to double, maybe triple my money in LCA. But we're going to let the Genius Brands ride. We're going to let our LCA ride because we're all about getting those gains, man. And we're going to get the gains. It's going to be fun once we get up to around $30 on this LCA. We can start running the Willow strategy, and we can do that together. If you got 100 shares on Robinhood, I'm going to talk about what, the price points we're going to set on our options contracts. We're going to be selling the calls, guys. We're going to be selling calls on our 100 shares. So make sure you get your 100 shares and stay tuned. When the price gets up high enough, we're going to start selling calls on this one. It's Gnog. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, guys. We're trying to get 300 likes today. We hit 250 likes yesterday. Can we hit 300 likes today? I think we can, or get very close to it. Also, guys, check out the Teespring link down below. I know my man Keith said once he gets his paycheck, he's going to get a shirt or a mug or something. Guys, if you buy any merchandise, take a picture, send it to me on line chat, send it to me on Discord. All that is down there, and I will put it in a Gnog and Chill future video. If you buy any merchandise, take a picture and send it to me, and we'll show it to the Golden Nugget family. So, guys, hope you all have a great evening, and I love and appreciate every single one of you, and we're going to get these gains, and I can't wait for tomorrow. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's